The more and more we go up this creek or down it, the prettier it gets. And the bluffage is kind of starting to get a little bigger. So definitely a pretty creek. Oh, just got prettier. Definitely pretty. All ends. Howdy folks, Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and today we are in the, I guess you can call it the Phoenix Sandstones Barrens area, just close by at least, maybe not quite in the natural area, and we're at a creek. It's pretty scenic. It's no trail to get here, so very, very off trail, but it's a really pretty creek, and we're just kind of looking for some bluffage before it gets dark in a couple hours. So that's our goal. Just looking around for some bluffage and checking out the creek. So stay tuned. Alright folks, the more we walk down this creek, the prettier it gets. So we're going to keep walking down this creek. Alright folks, got a nice little pool here. Michelle has volunteered to take a dip. So, go ahead Michelle.
You have to involuntary take one.
You hear that? Alright folks, we've seen some bluffage. Climbed all the way up this pretty steep hill to an area with seats. Little stone seats. Old fire ring, really old. And it's a shelter. It's pretty cool. There's the airplane. Very cool, very interesting spot. Pretty interesting. Really interesting shelter here. It's very low. I'd have to get on my knees to get under it. I think I'm squat down right now. And you can see it's pretty low. Really interesting though. Very cool. Huh. Very interesting. Really cool.
Yeah, over or pink.
Says shoe with an arrow. No more shoe. We didn't take it. We probably would if it was here, but someone else took it down. So that's
could have been an old woman.
That's horse people.
There was an old woman who.
Not all of you, but some of you are weird.
What if they took the old woman's shoe?
Could be.
Now what's she gonna do?
It could be the old lady who lives in a shoe.
I know.